So, the unrestricted use of social media in India is raising a lot of concerns, especially for children. There are many countries in Europe that have already regulated this. What is the way forward for India?
The use of social media by children is in fact affecting their normal mental growth. An algorithm, decided by somebody who's devised a particular feed on the social media will ultimately determine the mental growth of a child. In fact, it is very important that parents should keep the children away from TVs and mobile phones and all apparatus where social media can be accessed. Because unless that happens, to say that by law we will prohibit children from getting onto social media is very difficult. The implementation of such a law is very difficult. If an iPad is lying in a home within the access of a child, it is impossible for law to ensure that the child will not be allowed to use that iPad or a phone which is lying in front of that child. Now, what is happening today, and when we compare the children of our generation, when we were children, and children of today, they are not doing outdoor activities. The activities are all centered around games which are mostly created by social media apps, and the growth of these children are being determined not in an organic manner, but you're trying to sort of create an environment for a child to grow, which according to me is not the right way forward. It is the originality and the individuality of the child which is at stake in this growth of the child. And I feel that this control has to come from every parent in a household rather than by law, because it is, of course, what the law is saying is also absolutely correct. But the law by itself will be a complete failure if parenting does not include excluding social media from the reach of a child. And then only we can expect the normal growth of a child as far as child development is concerned.